Double hookup.
Swimming together. Oh, look at that sucker.
Oh, he's shining bright.
All right. Two nice fish. What do you got there? Nice one. All right.
Taking a movie?
Yeah.
He's a monster, look.
Oh, wow. Wow, Mom's got a pig.
She does.
Wow.
He's got red gills. I can see his red gills. Hi. Oh, you're beautiful. You're beautiful.
You need me to get that for you?
No, I got it.
Are you sure you're going to grab it?
Yeah. They don't bite too much, do they?
Here, I got the pole. Hold on to that fish so we can get this other one. Nice fish, Mama.
Hi, honey. Don't
Go,
worry.
go stand. Go stand next to Max with it.
Hi, look at me, baby.
Wow. All right. Good job, guys.
Another fish.
On the drop shot.